Mercy Mission started being me because the image of the Muslim woman was under question. People started to question whether she is independent, whether she is actually wearing her hijab because she wants to, whether she's oppressed, whether she actually has the independence that men have. And so as a result, we thought that we would work on helping our sisters empower themselves, give them a voice, a platform, a network, where they could liaise with each other and talk about the problems that they were facing so that they could, inshallah ta'ala, help their own image themselves. Who better to do that than the sisters themselves? And so we said, Bismillah, let's put our trust in Allah and let's start this network of conferences called Being Muslimah Empowered. So the Being Me conferences are run by real sisters who understand the real issues that are facing them. They understand the problems that sisters are facing, and as a result, they address it through the topics that are presented by experts who specialize in understanding how to deal with them. Whether it be the events, whether it be the lectures, whether it be the activities that are done, they're done with the sister in mind and giving her practical solutions to help her address these problems when they go back home, inshallah. I think when you educate a woman, you don't just educate the ummah, I think you educate the whole world, because essentially you affect change in the world through your children, you affect change in the world through other mothers, you affect change in the world through your husband, who has a great impact in the work that he is doing outside. No doubt, if you educate a sister, you educate all the people who are under the spheres of influence that she has, both her children, her husband, and of course, all the other people that are around her. No doubt this is a true statement, just like the phrase that says, "The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world," meaning the woman that has the ability to impart her values to her children, she's the one who ultimately rules the world through her children. So no doubt a sister ultimately does teach the ummah and also therefore the world as well. Being Me is not only for mothers, it's also for the career sister. Being Me is also for the young sister out there who's in university. It's also for the older sisters that have, alhamdulillah, children grown up and now they have moved on in their life. Being Me is for all types of sisters from all walks of life, no matter what challenges that they have. And I hope that inshallah ta'ala is something that they will appreciate when they come there. It's one of the things that we do also with the lineup of speakers. We don't only have one profile of speakers. Some of our speakers are mothers. Some of our speakers are actually also career women. Some of our speakers are scholars in Islam. So we have quite a range of speakers, and of course all of this to address the sister in Islam at all walks of life and no matter where she comes from.